The Wi-Fi at my dad's house really sucks. I always knew it wasn't the best, but I never knew how much it sucked until I got the Wi-Fi installed here. It takes like 2 minutes to upload a video. It's amazing. How are all you guys doing though today? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are feeling great. I am doing good. I'm having a great day. Jean-Luc, how's your day going?
Going awesome, man.
This is my friend Jean-Luc. This is my friend Jean-Luc. Jean-Luc and I have known each other since we were little kids. We've hung out, played sports together for years and years and years. I'm talking since we were like 9 or 10 years old. The entire time I have known Jean-Luc, I'm talking the entire 12 years I have known Jean-Luc, I don't think he has beat me in a single game of FIFA. We must have played 1,000 games of FIFA together. I don't think he's beat me a single time. Jean-Luc's an awesome dude though. Great guy. Okay, hear me out here. It's sunny, it's warm, it's the first 20-degree day we've had this year. The fields are probably dry. You thinking what I'm thinking?
Balls and grass.
Balls and grass. My legs are so sore. It was fun though, right?
It was a good time, man.
It was a good time. I don't know if it's just me, but something about having nice warm weather just makes me want to eat burgers and milkshakes outside and just have tons of really unhealthy food. This is like probably the best fries and burger and milkshake in the city. They only take cash. I literally had to pay them in change. I also stole $5 from him.
You did.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for stealing my money.
Tell me sunset lighting is not some of the, like, come on. How nice does this look right now? Anyway, I have a late night, early morning, really late or really early. I don't know what you call it, flight coming up in a few hours, and I'm really excited. Where am I going? If you follow me on Instagram, you already freaking know. Nah, I'm going to New York. It's not that suspenseful. I'm going to New York again. I know. Tom, why don't you just move to New York already? You're there once a month at least. Actually, this is my second time in April, but I hear your criticism. I hear your comments, and you're probably right. Trust me. When I think I'm financially in a position where I could get a really nice condo in New York and have a place at home in Winnipeg, I will do it immediately. 3-year plan. 3-year plan. Unfortunately, that means I need to stay up really late. Usually lately, especially since I've been in the new place, I've been going to bed at like 10 o'clock. That's not happening today. It's about 8:30 right now. I have a basketball run that I go to every single Monday, and I'm trying out a new pair of shoes. I'm a little bit excited. So yeah, this is the pair of shoes. I bought these like 6 months ago, solely for a basketball shoe. I haven't worn them yet. This is the first time I'm wearing these. Quick little backstory for you guys that don't know, the LeBron 11 is my favorite shoe of all time. I have almost every single color. Regrettably, I'm gonna be selling a good chunk of them, which sort of sucks, but it's my favorite shoe, and I've never really played basketball in them because I didn't want to mess up one of my favorite shoes by playing ball in them. I'm gonna play basketball in them. I'm really excited. What do you think of the new basketball shoes?
You already recording?
Yeah.
They're really nice. I really like them. Huge upgrade from the ones you used in men's league.
Stop talking trash on my Dero 6s. I like my Dero 6s.
How you feeling, brother?
I really like these, but the exact same problem, the exact same foot is happening with these. I thought there was something wrong with the shoe.
Oh, like that foot?
My right foot. I don't know, there's something in here that is digging on my ankle, and now I have a big blister on my foot.
Well, dude, just take the rock out.
There's no rock in here, dude. And this is really bumming me out. This is my favorite pair of shoes, and you guys might not get it, but like in high school, this was the pair of shoes that I always wanted. Basically, what I'm trying to say is those LeBron 11s give me blisters on my foot too, which really sucks because I really wanted to play in the LeBron 11, but I don't think it's happening. As you guys know, I am admittedly the worst packer of all time. Every single time I go on a trip somewhere, I forget something, inevitably, whether it's a toothbrush, a camera battery charger, a laptop charger. Last time I was in Toronto, I forgot my phone charger and my laptop charger at Christian's place. I am terrible at remembering to actually pack stuff. This time I actually made a checklist, so there's a small chance that we might actually remember to bring everything this time. I'm probably still gonna forget stuff, but a slight chance that I remember everything. I have clothes, I have toiletries, I have laptop charger, phone charger, wallet, passport. Last thing, the sneakers. Choosing which pair of sneakers to bring with me on a trip is probably the hardest part of packing, because I don't actually pack sneakers. I have one pair of shoes on my feet, and that's all I bring. I used to bring more. I used to bring 4 pairs of shoes for a 7-day trip. I don't know why. Tremendous waste of space in my luggage. But I did. Now I bring one pair, the pair on my feet. So I want to bring something I can wear with a lot of different outfits, and I usually just end up deciding 5 minutes before I walk out the door. The same thing's happening today. I narrowed it down to 3 options. We have these, the Celtics Jordan 1s, which are very, very nice. I love my Jordan 1s. We have the newly released Game Royal Jordan 1s, which are also very, very nice. Both of those you can wear with a bunch of stuff. And then we have the Yeezy 500 dad shoes. I sort of want to go with the dad shoes. I know these difficult decisions you have to make in life, like choosing your child's name or 2% or whole milk when you're ordering your coffee, but one pair of sneakers for a 5-day trip, that has to be one of the hardest decisions I've ever had to make, and I make it on like every 3 weekly basis, and it's really hard. I have like 20 minutes until we need to leave for the airport. I'm gonna throw all 3 of these on feet and then decide which one I like best. I think we have a decision. I'm going for these. I think. Anyway, we got a cab to catch. How you doing today?